You've probably seen those viral videos with Ronaldo and Messi on Instagram, right? One Instagram account gained an incredible 96 million views on just one video in a few days. And that's not all. They gained 600,000 followers on Instagram in less than 3 weeks thanks to these videos. Now, what if I told you that this channel is using a unique style that hardly anyone else is trying? This means there's almost no competition on social media right now for this kind of content. This is your perfect opportunity to jump in early and potentially get millions of views for your posts. And the best part? You can create these incredible videos for free using AI tools. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make viral Messi and Ronaldo videos using AI. So, stick around until the end because I'll walk you through each step to create this content yourself. Step 1. Writing prompts for the images. For this, ChatGPT is an excellent tool to help you create those prompts. To begin, open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Once you're on the site, you'll find a text box where you can enter your prompt. Don't worry about prompts. Here are prompts, you can see them on screen. I've included these prompts for you in the video description below. Copy that and paste it into the ChatGPT text box. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will create 5 different prompts for you, featuring Messi and Ronaldo in various scenarios. You can modify these prompts to fit your ideas. Adding small details like making the prompt fun or humorous will make your final images even better. Step 2. Generating images for the prompts. Now, let's generate images for these prompts. We will use some popular image generators like Leonardo AI and Ideogram AI to see which tool gives us the best results. First, search for Leonardo AI on Google and click on the first link that appears. After logging in with your email, head over to the image creation section. The interface might seem a bit complicated at first, but don't worry, it's simple once you get used to it. Now that you have your prompt, go ahead and open Leonardo AI. Paste the prompt that I created using ChatGPT into the text box and select Leonardo Phoenix as the preset. For the style, choose Dynamic. Set the image dimensions to 9 by 16, which works best for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Once everything is set, click Generate. This will cost you 24 credits. Next, open a new tab and search for Ideogram. Click on the website and log in with your Google account. The interface is very user-friendly, which makes it easy to use. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy your first prompt. This will help you create a unique and engaging image of these famous stars in a fun scenario. Next, open Ideogram and paste the same prompt into their text box. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio and choose Model 2.0, then click Generate. This will cost you 2 credits per image. Now, let the AI work its magic. Once the images are ready, compare the results from both platforms. Pay attention to which image looks more realistic and captures the character features of Messi and Ronaldo accurately. This step is crucial because you need your audience to instantly recognize who's in the image. In my experience, Ideogram usually delivers the best results. The character features in their images look almost lifelike, so I'll be using Ideogram to generate all of my images following these steps. One important point is that you can modify the prompts to create different variations in the images. Click the 3 dots, then hit the download button to save them to your device. Now, you've laid the foundation for your video. Step 3. Animating your images using Pixverse AI. With your images ready, it's time to turn them into a video. We will use Pixverse AI for this part. Start by searching for Pixverse AI on Google and click on the first link. Then, click Try Pixverse and log in with your Google, Apple, or Discord account. Once logged in, look for the icon that looks like an image. This is where you upload your images. Upload the images you downloaded earlier and add a short description to guide the AI on how to animate them. After clicking Create, Pixverse will work its magic and generate your video in just a few minutes. To speed up the process, you can also try other tools like Vidu AI and Hiluo AI. These tools will help you get even better results, and the best part is they all offer free versions for beginners. Step 4. Using Vidu AI and Hiluo AI. Let's start with Vidu AI. Open Google, search for Vidu AI, and click the first link to visit the site. After logging in as a free user, you'll receive 80 free credits. Then, click on Create Video to enter the video editor. In the Image to Video tab, upload your second image and add a short description. Click Create, and Vidu AI will animate your image in seconds. Next, search for Helluo AI and click the first link to visit their site. Log in with your Google account and upload the third image. Add a short description and hit Create. Like with Vidu AI, Helluo AI will animate your image quickly. Using multiple tools like these allows you to work faster and more efficiently. Repeat the same process for each image across these platforms to create your videos quickly. Once the animations are ready, just click Download to save your videos. But make sure check the videos before downloading. Now, let's move on to editing. Step 5. Editing the videos with CapCut. We'll use CapCut to bring everything together and create a smooth, professional video. Start by importing your video clips and arranging them in the order you want. Add simple transitions like fades between clips to give the video a smoother flow. Then, let's make it more engaging by adding some background music. You can find free copyright music in YouTube's library or CapCut's own library. Finally, click Export to save the final version of your video. Congratulations! By following these steps, you can create a powerful, shareable video in just a few minutes, all for free and with zero competition in the niche. Now, take a look at the video I created entirely for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.